Today we are going to learn how to create 2D animation in WPS PowerPoint. So same, instead of selecting the document, today we are going to select the PowerPoint. After selecting the PowerPoint, select blank slide. Okay. So in a WPS we used to select in a document we used to select the blank page. In presentation here we used to select the blank slide. Okay. Now slide appeared. Now we are going to select remove this text boxes. So for that first we have to select it and delete option is there, then we can delete that text boxes. Okay, so after deleting the text boxes, now we need some images to place it on this slide. So we are going to download that images from the Google. Okay, so in Google, just for example, if you want riding horses cartoon like GIF, okay, this is very important. We need the graphical images. Okay, so we need that to download. So you can download from the Google. So just if you type riding horses cartoon like this, and GIF is important, that is the, so after that you can choose this type of pictures is the animated pictures. Okay, so already we get some animated pictures from the Google itself. So you can choose anything, any images, and click download. Okay, download and save it in your mobile or in your computer. Okay, after saving, now choose the on the PowerPoint screen, choose the picture option. Okay, when you click that picture option, you will get the downloaded images. Okay, so now which image you want, you can choose that image. After choosing, place it, automatically it will be display on the slide. Okay, now drag it according to the I'm going to set one background also here. Already I have downloaded that image, so I have taken, so I have set one background. Okay, now again which file you have to see. Background file, you when you are inserting the pictures, you have to be very careful. Okay, so background first you have to set, then only you should set that next image. So first background I have given, now I am selecting the horse. Okay, so that images also I have downloaded and I kept, so I am selecting that. Bottom you have the picture option, by that you can same process only for inserting this picture also. Okay, after inserting, okay, drag it, and where you want to place it properly. Okay, so here I am going to place it at the little bit I am going to move back. Okay, to place this image. After placing, in the WPS button here, play option you are having, in that you are going to select current page. That is, if we have number of slides, according to that we can go here. We have only one slide. Okay, so just I am clicking current slide. Okay, now you can see the animation how it is set. See how it is set. See, now the background is also is the animated image, and that in a foreground, that horse also it is a animated image. So this type of small animations, very small animations we can do in the PowerPoint. That background also I have downloaded in the GIF only. Okay, that is the graphical pictures, means that is the animated 2D animated pictures is called as a GIF picture. So if you want to download any picture from the Google, try to download the GIF images. Okay, then easily you can give more animations. Okay, we can do more animations in a computer. In MS PowerPoint we can do more animations comparing to the mobile phone. In mobile phone very limited animations are available. Okay, so I will explain in some other videos how to do more animations in the MS PowerPoint in the computer. Okay.